Rawere korijiwo mondo donje ohala mar pur kaka yo mar joyuto mekgi kendo nyayo chiemo moromo pidho oganda makoro kwan gi medore.
Bengi mar dongruok mar Afrika mano AFDB koro wacho ni Afrika ni kod rowere mathoth to kata kamano thoth gi ok timo ohala mar pur.
Jata tije mar bengi no Nelson Mukesi ne wuoyo kama ne yango e bad riwruok mag jolony kata Alliance for Science makoro ni kod apisi manyien e Kenya ka.
I work with youth. We have an initiative called Enable Youth at the bank. We try to get youth into the agriculture sector, into agribusiness. And, you know, you can't escape youth on the African continent. When you see that the median age of African youth is 19 years old. You go to Germany, the median age is 47 years old, you know? So in Africa, if you don't get the youth involved, in all sectors, not only in agriculture, you won't get, you won't get to where you want to go. If you're looking at wheat, we're saying, okay, from the seed, from the mechanization, from the irrigation, from the extension services, from the, the planting of the seed.
Made us forget that we are a majority in this world. The Global South is a global majority. And that therefore we should be drivers and offering solutions to the world. Really, I'm so honored that this space was being created at the same time by a wonderful visionary science communicator called Dr. Sarah Evanja, who started the Alliance for Science in 2014, because she recognized that there's so many voices that are vocally shutting down innovation, shutting down applications of things that scientists have spent their whole life.